Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, in the measurement of the solute concentration, here in the measurement of the solute concentration, we have osmolarity and osmolality. What is osmolarity first? Osmolarity is number of osmoles per liter of solution. So osmolarity is equal to number of osmoles per liter of solution. You should not get confused it with osmolality. What is osmolality? Osmolality is actually the number of osmoles per kg of solution. Number of osmoles per liter of solution is osmolarity, whereas number of osmoles per kg of solution solvent is osmolality. That means here if there is salt present in water, then osmolality is number of osmoles of NaCl present in 1 liter of water plus NaCl, that is solution. Whereas osmolality of the same NaCl is number of osmoles of NaCl per kg of only water, not NaCl. Okay.
thank you and thank you for watching.